Say hi, Daytona. Hi, there we go. So we're picking up two cars today. This one is a 2000 or 2002 Oldsmobile Alero 2.2 Ecotec automatic transmission. This one's gonna be Daytona's ride, or one of the two. We're also gonna pick up a Cavalier today, but more than likely this one I think is the one we're gonna have Daytona drive. Longer wheelbase. Hopefully it doesn't spin as much. That's my plan anyway. So we just got her dropped off onto the truck and the trailer. So we're gonna get her strapped up and head to the new shop and drop it off. Alrighty guys, so we made it here to the new shop. Just gonna throw this down into the corner. Might be interesting because yeah, there's no key, so we're gonna have to figure out how to get it to unlock. I think our tire size is good. Yeah, we got some good tread on these. We got nice tires already. 215 60 R15s. What? That's what we're talking about. Good tire size, Daytona. So let's get this going here. Oh. This car was running and driving not too long ago. It's got a plate from last year, but it does have a blown up motor. So we are buying another motor to put on it. I think this thing's wider than the Cavaliers. We'll weigh it. We'll end up seeing, you know, who knows? Maybe the Alero is like the secret car to do sport compact racing in. So yeah, we're gonna figure out how to get this thing off. One of the bad things about buying cars from the junkyard is you typically don't see keys. So we are attempting to break this apart so we can put the car in neutral. Yeah, there's usually an override little switch dealy bob in here, but we don't need any of that where we're going. There you go. Nice. We'll get that put in neutral. All right, we got her in neutral. So Daytona's just gonna get in. We're gonna shove it off the back. Oh, watch your door. Perfect. So there we go, guys. That's one down. One to go. Time to go get the Cavalier. Daytona can decide which car he's gonna take, and we'll get an engine because they both have blown engines. But the rest of the cars are pretty solid, pretty good. So yeah, if anybody wants any Alero parts or any four-door 02 Cavalier parts, let us know. All your interior and the lights will sell cheap. Time for car number two. What do you think of this one, Daytona? No yet? All right. Looks like a Cavalier. Strap her down, Daytona. There we go. This one is an 02. Four-door, automatic. Blown motor, but clean body, man. Look at that, got a few dents. Look at those tires. Studded snow tires. Well, sadly, we can't run those. Otherwise, good car. Heck yeah. So this one's definitely a female car because we got bobby pins. But look, we got a key. It's got a key and these weird, really super squishy and ew, gross.
Can you just turn the steering wheel?
It's hard. There you go. Yeah, I'm happy with this one. This one's good. This one's good. It'll be good. This one also has a blown motor. Very interested to see what's blown on them. But that's what it is. We mostly needed the bodies anyways. We can always throw motors in. So we'll slam the hood down and get her strapped on. We're waiting for them to bring the motor out to us right now. So if I can open it, there we go. So there we go. A lot of oil back there, but 2 Ecotec. Got another one. Make sure that's closed. So they just got to bring us out the motor, and we're good to go. Well, there we go, guys. We got our motor with good compression. Got a car with probably no compression. We'll make them work. So which one do you want? You want the Alero or you want the Cavalier?
It's got hard choices.
Why is it a hard choice?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know? All right, well, Daytona will decide which one he's going to take. Then we'll build that one, but after that we'll build the other one. So eventually they'll all get built, but maybe not till next season. Alrighty, back at the shop. Daytona's got her in neutral. We got the motor out of the way. This time you're going to hit the brakes so we don't hit the red car. Oh, jeez. Nice. So now we got them right here, basically side by side. Daytona, which one do you want? You what? You want the Oldsmobile? All right. So you heard it, guys. Daytona's gonna have the Oldsmobile. We have these things closed up so they're not nasty. We'll push this one back a little further, and then we'll get on out of here. So, got to do something with our motor. Probably take it back to the house. Because we should be moving into our shops here very, very soon. Technically, this is still the end of June, so they got about a week left here. But we have all the houses and the acreage all back there. So, very, very stoked. I'll show you guys around once we're done with it. But I think he needs my help pushing. So, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time.